Hey guys, it's Holly from Cricut Craft Life, and today I'm going to show you how to place flock vinyl on a baseball hat. You'll need your flock vinyl, your scissors and weeding tool. I like to use an oven mitt, and your hat. And you can use your home iron or a heat press with this. I got my pineapple image from the free SVG shop at shopcraftables.com, and I cut my vinyl on flock iron-on setting. After I cut, I'll trim my design out of the vinyl to save for another project. Now using my weeding tool, I'll just trim away the excess vinyl. I use an oven mitt to protect my hand from the heat of the iron, and now I'll just place my hand inside the hat. I'll use the iron to preheat my fabric. Place the design onto the hat. And then I'll press for 15 seconds and apply firm pressure. After I've ironed on my design, I'll let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll peel away the carrier sheet. If you find pieces of your design has not stuck to your material, you can cover with parchment paper or a teflon sheet and press again for 15 seconds. I like to use flock vinyl for baseball hats because it does hide any seams and it doesn't allow the pattern of the hat to show through the vinyl. And now we're ready for a day in the sun. You can find flock vinyl at shopcraftables.com.